Find features that distinguish it from other brands for SIBONYU portable car jump starter with air compressor. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. High-performance car battery jump starter portable. Cool mechanical sports style SIBONYU car jump starter portable with air compressor delivers 2000 amp peak current to start 12-volt vehicles, up to 8.5 L gas/6.0 L diesel, in extreme temperatures. -4 to about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The portable jump starter with air compressor supports 1000 plus charging cycles and up to 50 starts in harsh conditions. Ultra-fast smart digital cordless car tire inflator portable air compressor with LCD screen digital pressure gauge. It features tire pressure detection, smart preset and auto shut-off without repeated adjustment and check. With unique turbocharged 35-liter per minute, 150 psi, lasting 25 minutes. Built-in large LCD display to read real-time data, 5 preset inflation modes, car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, custom, and 4 optional unit switching, PSI, BAR, kPa. Kilogram per square centimeter, 1 button switch to full automatic stop, and detachable extended air hose for ease of use. Inflates car tires to 20 psi in 3 minutes with 150 psi compressor. High precision tire pressure detection, measurement display accuracy plus or minus 0.01 bar. Multiple safety protections. The SIBONYU car battery charger jump starter with air compressor possess innovative honeycomb heat dissipation boosts safety by 30% and lifespan by 50%. The upgraded smart chip ensures quick starts in extreme conditions, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Portable jump starter for car equipped with heavy-duty cables and 10 built-in safety protection technologies: overcharge, spark-proof, reverse polarity, short circuit, overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, low temp, high temp, reverse charging, with auto-detect connection and real-time visible alarms. The portable battery jump starter for car is 100% safe, no sparks. All-in-one multi-function car jumper starter portable. SIBONYU D2 portable jump starter with air compressor is more compact and lightweight, easy to carry on, integrates 6 practical functions into one to meet all your needs, includes car emergency start, tire inflator, power bank, charging mobile devices, high precision barometer, 400 lumens LED lighting, and SOS warning. The jumper box for car battery portable supports 20-watt Type-C fast charging and 12-volt DC charging. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.